The antler of any deer species is a wonder of the animal kingdom. It can grow to weigh more than 16 kilograms, and it grows and falls every year. This weight is sometimes almost 30% of the weight of the skeleton. And this is not the only curious fact. Because the antler grows up to 1 centimeter in length and it grows in up to 3 months, it's the only structure that grows faster than cancer. The antler can grow from 1 to 4 centimeters per day in length, and it can create more than 20 square centimeters of skin also per day. The fact that antlers are the only structure growing faster than cancer, but under control, without ending up often in some type of tumor, led to a group of experts in deer and experts in medicine and cancer to start a very peculiar cooperation.
The group of neurology in the Hospital Universitario of Albacete, among other things, works in a type of cancer that is highly aggressive and very difficult to treat, glioblastoma. When we heard that antlers grow very fast, but they seem to control the risk of cancer, we decided to see if the extract of growing antler could affect the cultivated cells of glioblastoma.
A couple of years ago, scientists have demonstrated that the powder of growing antler kills cancer cells in cultures of prostate cancer with the same efficiency that chemotherapy has. But the antler velvet does not harm normal cells that grow at a similar rate. Not only that, when they tried with mice with really big tumors of prostate cancer, these were reduced up to 65%.
While doing the experiments in cultures of the brain cancer glioblastoma, a key paper was published in the best scientific journal, Science, which explained why velvet and antler had anti-cancer effects. The paper in Science proved that antlers grow faster than cancer because they use genes similar to cancer, proto-oncogenes. This creates such a danger of cancer in the deer that antlers evolve anti-cancer genes. Because antlers have skin, cartilage, bone, blood vessels and nerves, it may have a general anti-cancer effect and not just for 1 or 2 types of cancer. The study was published in a high-reputed scientific journal, Scientific Reports, and the results show that the effects in cultures of glioblastoma cells were similar to those found for prostate cancer.
The velvet extract makes the cells of this brain cancer die 38% more than if they are not treated.
The chemotherapy kills cancer cells, but it also kills healthy cells. The velvet antler also kills cancer cells, but it does not kill healthy cells.
It does 2 other things that may be related to the capacity to expand in the body, what is called metastasis. The first is that it reduces the capacity to create new groups of cancer cells or colonies by 84%. Not only that, you can see that the velvet extract add to normal cells of skin closing a gap seem to make no effect. However, if velvet antler is added to the cancer cells, they move 40% more slowly than without velvet. The next step is to try the effects in mice with glioblastoma. We also want to see if the active molecules of the extract of antler velvet have a general anti-cancer effect. For this, we will try in cancer of skin, bone, breast and colon. All this needs funding.